Alright, so I let the cargo mat kind of flatten a little bit. What I ended up using is I have these workout bars, and they worked out great because if you look at them, they're just about the exact width that you need. So I just placed these on there for a little while and let them kind of do their thing just to kind of keep this thing straight, and it's now, as you can see, nice and flat. So what we're gonna do is now take it and put it in the car. What I'm probably gonna end up doing, just because I actually have the cargo net that I use with the hooks, so what I'll probably end up doing is, I'm assuming, just cut these out for some holes to see how it works. And then where I have them right now, and I just need to see once I place it in there if it's gonna be these or these, but I know for a fact they'll be these at the bottom. So let's get it in the car and see what it looks, and kind of go from there. Alright, so let me show you kind of what the trunk looks like right now. So as you can see, kind of what I was talking about, I do have the cargo net that I use, and I use this thing actually pretty often. And the reason being is it holds stuff really well, especially with these cars. You know, sometimes you like to kind of take turns a little faster, so it really holds stuff pretty tight. And if you get carry out food and you don't want it to, your whole car to smell like it, just put it in the trunk, put it over the net, under the net, and it stays in place. But looking back at it now, it does look like I'll need to drill all those holes, because the two corner ones are actually for these guys. I didn't remember those. And then the cargo net has 6 hooks, not 4 like I was thinking initially. So let's do that first, but just for placement, let's place it in the car so we see kind of what it looks like. Alright, so I've temporarily placed the trunk mat in the trunk, and I must say I really like the way it looks. I don't know why, it's the simplest thing. You kind of go from a plastic surface, or from a carpet surface to a plastic surface, but I don't know, it just kind of ties the whole thing in really nicely. I love this little lip, so if you get stuff in there and you kind of don't want it to get all over the place, it's nice and tight and doesn't let it go. It's really well built. I like it a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So let me figure out the holes and just kind of go from there. So here's the idea that I had, and this is way overkill for what we're trying to accomplish. You could easily do this with just a plain Jane razor blade, but I want to kind of make it a little cleaner looking. So my thoughts are, if I use a drill hole and just kind of drill a perfect circle, that should give me what I want. So I have these, obviously, hole cutters for wood and stuff like that. Hook it up on the drill, put a piece of wood underneath where I'm going to be per se drilling. It shouldn't take long at all, but I just don't want to damage anything else or the bit. And just going to do this, for all these holes. The corner ones, I'm not 100% sure. I may start them with this and then just kind of finish with a razor blade to kind of follow that same profile of the hole themselves. But let's see what it looks like, and just hopefully this works out well. Alright, so here's test 1. I did one of the holes just to see how it would look, and I must say I am really pleased with the outcome. Came out perfect, exact size that I wanted, and it looks really clean. So I'm just going to do the rest of them now. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. Alright, here's the final product. All installed, all holes drilled. I put my floor net back in, but you can see it works very well. Left one of them purposes so you can kind of see what it looks like, but super happy with this product. I think it makes a big difference, even just in the aesthetics of it, let alone the usage that it's going to have. But like I said earlier, my install is a little bit overkill. You could easily do this with a razor blade or even scissors if you wanted, but I just wanted to do it a little differently. But I'm really happy with this. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Many more videos to come, but this is all about the WeatherTech Cargo floor mat.